Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my beef Jamaican patties. So I'm going to be using a food processor, however you don't need to do that. You can just put the ingredients in a bowl and rub together. So I'm starting off with my flour, butter, my seasonings and baking powder, and then I give it a good pulse in the food processor. Once my mixture starts to resemble breadcrumbs, then I know that it's ready, and I put it into a large mixing bowl and then add some milk and mix together. Once my ingredients have combined together, I will put it in cling film and then put it in the fridge for 35 minutes. Then I season the ground beef with some salt, some black pepper, some Jamaican allspice or curry powder and some fresh thyme. I mix this together and then I just leave it to marinate. Then I have chopped all my ingredients very finely. I have onion, carrot, spring onion, scotch bonnet, garlic cloves and sprigs of thyme. Then in my frying pan I heat up some oil. I add all my vegetables to the pan. Once they're really soft, I then add in the beef and begin to cook the beef through. Then I add in some browning, which provides the majority of the flavour, some soy sauce, some ketchup, and I then cook it through again. Once the meat is virtually cooked, you'll see that there's a lot of moisture, like a lot of liquid coming off the meat. So we're going to add in some breadcrumbs to help absorb this, because I don't like to drain the sauce because it's flavour. Once the liquid is absorbed, you can place it to one side. Now I'm flouring a surface. I lined my surface with some parchment paper. Then I begin to roll out my dough. It will be a little bit stiff because it's just come out of the fridge. Then between the layers I like to add a little bit more of unsalted butter, just a tiny bit. This adds more flavour and adds to the flakiness of the dough. Once my dough is completely rolled out, I'll section the dough into approximately 8 parts. Then you can add your filling. I like to create a semicircle kind of shape, so I'm going to be using a pizza cutter to achieve that. Then I like to fan out the edges using the tip of a fork. I gently brush the edges using some egg wash. Cook them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees. This is the Jamaican patty recipe completed. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.